Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of installing Python on Windows 11. By the end of this session, you will have Python, pip and idle fully installed and ready to use on your computer. So first open your web browser and go to the official Python website python.org. Now hover over downloads and click here get the standalone installer for Python 3.14.3. When the download is complete, open your downloads folder and double click the installer file. On the first screen, before you proceed further, make sure that you click on both these options. By default, Python installs into a folder inside your user directory, something like this: C user admin and Python 3.14. Now instead of clicking install now, I am going to click the second option, which is customize installation. Make sure all these options are clicked because these options are going to help you install pip as well as idle. Now click on next. Now click on install Python 3.14 for all users and it will change the customize location, and as you can see here, it has picked up the location C program files Python 3.14 and this is where I would like to install Python on my system. Now click on install and it is going to take few minutes to get it installed. And when it finishes, you will see a message that says setup was successful. Now since our setup is successful, we can close this window. Now open your start option and click CMD. Now write Python -v and you can see here Python 3.14.3 has been successfully installed on your system. And that's it. You have now successfully installed Python on your Windows 11 machine. You can start writing Python script, exploring libraries and learning Python programming without any setup issues. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.